GWR there. Press subscribe for more train spotting videos. We're looking at the 150 class diesel hydraulic multiple unit train built at the York Carriage Works between 1984 and 1987, and this is otherwise known as the Sprinter. And originally we had 137 of these built, and I think there's only just over 100 now in use. I can't remember the exact number, it might be 108, but I might be wrong there. And this one's about to be taken probably to the Long Rock depot, I should think. Press subscribe for more train spotting videos. Can't remember if there's anything else I wanted to say. 150219 here, and I've just got off it coming from St Austell here to Penzance.